Tagging data in formats such as XBRL is a way of improving monetary transparency, and day by day it is gaining popularity and becoming important as well. Because it gets much easier to identify and analyze categories of information in monetary and business reports when the data tagging is used to tag specific information as per the prescribed and approved XBRL format. But for the same, it is a must to have an idea of what financial and notes tagging means in XBRL and how to do it. If you want to understand and know how to do financial tagging and notes tagging quickly in XBRL, then keep watching. From Webtel, and today in this video I am going to explain what is financial and notes tagging in XBRL and how to do it in the quickest possible way. Before heading towards the process, let's first understand what is tagging in XBRL. When it comes to submitting the files by the issuer in XBRL format, it is to be taken into consideration that it must include detailed labeling of fiscal summaries and commentary. Each detail and number should have its own tag with the corresponding setup times and unit accuracy as well as any further information. XBRL tagging is an excellent solution for the classification it provides that was not there in traditional accounting methods. It also becomes easy for the machines to read and manage data by employing meta-information labels in a wide range of budget reporting and filings. As we just got to know what tagging in XBRL means, let's get down to the process of financial tagging. Now I'm taking you to my desktop screen.
Before starting the process, first we will upload the supporting document. Go to Master, Document Master, Upload File. File is uploaded now. Now we will go to financial tagging. The taxonomy is getting loaded. Before starting with the process of financial tagging, we will adjust a few settings from utilities. Reset settings, label column. It denotes the column where the particulars are written in the financial statements. Column difference between current year and previous year. Choose the level of rounding as per your financials. Here it is 1000, so we have selected 1000. Save. You can also select the financial statement you need to tag first, balance sheet, income statement or both. Here you have the option of search element. If you are unable to find any element or label name, you can simply type it here and it will show you all the relevant labels. You can also use shortcut Ctrl S. Here you can type the element or label name and it will automatically take you there. Now let's start the tagging. For tagging, we have to click on the required figure of the current year and then double click on the appropriate element given in the taxonomy. Now as you will see in your financials, the tagged amount is turned green. Simultaneously, we will tag the whole balance sheet. Now we have completely tagged a balance sheet. You can verify it with differences in balance sheet. If it is 0, it means that all the elements have been tagged. In case you find any difference here, that means all the elements are not tagged properly or something is missing. As you may see that some of the heads are still red. This is a matching concept to avoid errors. It shows that there are still some subschedules relating to that head that need to be filled. So to fill that, right click on the head and go to the note. As you can see that software will automatically take you to the notes. Now you can fill that by simply tag it with your balance sheet notes. As you will fill in the note, you will see that the head is turned green, which shows that the mapping is done correctly. Simultaneously, you have to make all the red heads into green. We also have some certain features. As you will right click on the head, remove tagging. It is for remove a tag. Go to linked cell. It is to locate the amounts in your financials from where it is tagged. Footnote. You can add any information in any year with this feature. View details. It helps in giving the details of the amounts and relevant line items. It is also helpful in case when two or amounts are clubbed. Now let's see how you can fill the relevant table. Select the head, right click, go to Node, T. It denotes to the table. This shortcut is provided to tag table. Just double tap the T head and it will take you to the table. You can upload the supporting document from this option Documents given in the top left hand side corner. Select the document, adjust it accordingly. You can simply tag the amounts here with a double click. Once the amounts are tagged in the table match the main face head, it will turn green. E. It denotes the explanatory text block. Just double tap E head and it will take you to the notes tagging. Here you can tag notes of the relevant head by clicking F2 and save. After learning to do financial tagging in XBRL, let's move to the process of notes tagging in XBRL. First, we will go to Utilities, Other Settings. Select the PDF format, whether it is as per MCA or General. You can also use shortcut F8 for other settings. Save. For notes tagging, we need to format the given details into Excel for better PDF presentation like we have done here. Select the text from Excel. Find the relevant head. Press F2. Paste the data here. Auto format and save. There are some mandatory items to be tagged. Category 1. Share capital, statement of changes in equity, borrowings, investments, property, plant and equipment, accounting policy, corporate information, statement of Indias, RPT, financial instrument, fair value measurement, employee benefits, earning per share, CSR, director's report, auditor's report and secretarial auditor report. Category 2. Other notes to account. Notes which are not covered under financial tagging. Textual information of the notes where it relates from subclassification and notes on income and expenses, notes on assets and liabilities, additional disclosure on profit and loss, additional disclosure of balance sheet. Also, we have to do the detailed tagging of director's report and auditor's report by applying the same method of tagging. Notes tagging is important to cover all the textual information along with the financial details which are not fully covered under financial tagging.
See how simple it was to do financial and notes tagging with the help of Webtel's Web XBRL. So if you do want to streamline your financial and notes tagging accurately and quickly in XBRL with software that is fast, seamless and does accurate tagging, then visit the link mentioned in the description below and let us know in the comment section if you have any doubts. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you found this video helpful. Next Tuesday, we will be coming up with another interesting video to make compliances better for you. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned with us for a better compliance journey.